Need to replace your brake light, reverse light, or turn signal on your 1999 Honda Passport? I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. Lucky for you. You only need one tool. Screwdriver. So there's 3 screws. There's 1, there's 2, and a 3 up in there. All you gotta do is take it out and then pop the taillight out. There's 1 single dowel pin here that retains it. Screws are out, pop it off. It's good to take it from the bottom here. Now get your backside, your bulb, take it, twist it. So then what you do is you take the bulb, you push it in, give it a little twist counterclockwise, and it'll pull out. Grab a new one, nice and pretty. There's little alignment pins on the side here. You want to make sure that you have those lined up into their respective locations. Again, you're going to push in, but you're going to go clockwise, and it'll be in. Take it, put it back in. Ignore the completely burnt housing, and then you can plug it back into the car. Don't pinch your harness. You want to make sure that you have the dowel pin lined up to the body. You're going to put it in and give it a little bit of a pop. Now it's just going to hold even without the screws, but you're going to take your screwdriver back, put it in, and you're pretty much done. All you got to do is just put some screws in, and then you're going to do a function test, obviously. Obviously, the function test is the most important part. And that's how you do that. That's how you replace it. Very helpful tips would be to do your function test before you install it, put it back in. Make sure that everything is still working, and make sure that it's not just the bulb, because sometimes you can have a bad wire, you can have a bad brake switch if all your brake lights are out, where if you have just a single one, typically either a bulb, the connector, the wire, or something in between that. That's how you replace your brake light bulb.